Aloha. This is my 2014 Corvette Stingray Z51 2LT that I ordered in early 2014 from Kerbeck's Corvette in Atlantic City, New Jersey. And I was one of the first orders. So the production date on this was early. The VIN number is 1559. And it only has 29,650 miles on it. It has the premium 5-spoke chrome wheels, has the factory rockers. It has an axle back Borla attack exhaust system on it. It has Stingray logo carpets and cargo mat and everything that came with it brand new. Anyway, that's my C7, one of the first to be built. Aloha and stay safe.